this video, we will create, field and edit, and to select these options from the main menu bar, select new entity and field, and from here you can select create field and edit field. So here I'll select the first one, create field, and to create a field we need to select a shape, and for that I will select this object from the view, and you can see that faces are displayed here for this object, and we have a type. So here we can set the type. So you can see we have boolean, integer, double and string, and I will set it to integer. And for the subshape type, you can see that subshape type is selected as faces. So you can select it as vertex, edge or the whole shape itself. So now I'll change it to face only, and number of components to 2. You can see here after selecting 2 components, a new component is added here. So here I'll select this face, and this is the face 4, and here you can see I have added the values for component 1 and 2, and click the apply and close button. So you can see a field is created. Now I will select edit field, and you can edit the field which was created previously, and this field object allows assigning some values to geometrical entities, and these values can be later transferred to mesh entities generated on the geometrical during export to file in mesh module. So here I will select add step to add new time step. Here you can see I am adding the steps, and clicking on it will show you a number of steps added. Now I will select the remove step to delete a current step. So here I'll select file and remove, and click the apply and close button, and you can see that step values added in the object browser. So if I click each step, you can view. And this is the end of the video, and thanks for watching.